Alright guys, hello, welcome back for another week, and as usual we're going to be doing the recap for the week ahead, right? So I have a few pairs here. I will be only talking about Australian dollar because it's a very important week for Australia this week, as we're going to have the RBA, so the Reserve Bank of Australia, tomorrow on Tuesday. And we're going to have as well a very important thing this week, that is the webinar. All right. So if you're not subscribed yet to the webinar, it's free, out of charges. There's nothing on it, and there's a lot of knowledge. I will be there sharing all the analysis that I have. So it's more than 3, 6, 9, more than 9 analysis. But today, right now, I will be only sharing Australian dollar. Right. My name is Luca Santos, if you don't know me, and I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and send this video to your friend. If you have a trader, you know that it's your friend, send it to him. It's a very good knowledge content for him. Okay guys, so very important time for Australia. Again, we are approaching the RBA, so the Reserve Bank of Australia, interest rate decision, right? What do I think? That's the big question, right? Oh, what are they going to do? Are they raising? Are they pausing? But first of all, I would like to bring some, some data for you guys that I've been looking at it. So Australian dollar has seen a lot of volatility recently, and especially last week where we have the CPI, and it came lower than 5%. So this number was a good opportunity for Australia to, for the Reserve Bank of Australia, to show that they raising rates since 2021-22 have been doing actually something on the economy, because they could bring rates at 5%. But the good thing, well, there's always a good and a bad thing on that, right? So the bad thing is that it is at 5%. There's a lot to do yet. We have to go all the way to 2%. So there's a lot of work to be done. We have to reduce yet 3% of inflation. And it's not easy, right? Because we are on a very extreme rate at the moment. So therefore, I don't think they will raise rates anymore, because we did have inflation coming down. It was a big, it was a big announcement last week, and it was really good for Australia. And we can see that the Australian dollar came down on the minute of the news, but right now it's going up. Why is that? Well, because the market is thinking, okay, maybe if inflation continues to keep slowing the pace that it's going right now, we're going to have a soft landing, and this is going to be good for Australia economy, right? Where we're not going to have a disinflation period. So if that really happens, that would be positive for Australian dollar, because they could achieve the soft landing that they were talking about. In my opinion, I don't think it's the case as well, right? Because we have, as I've just mentioned, we have even more than 3% of inflation to bring it down. And things are getting slightly expensive to live in Australia. So I don't think it's gonna be an option, a sort of soft landing, okay? As well, not only me thinking about that, my voice, it's backed up with, economist friends, economist websites, news and RBA statements and so on, right? So if you wanna know the rest of the analysis, and the rest of where can we trade AUD CHF, where we can trade AUD, then I see you tomorrow, 6 o'clock at Sydney time. We'll approximately go for 45 minutes, 1 hour, just depends if anybody has questions, or if you wanna, interact with me. I would be very happy to see you there tomorrow. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, so every time we post a new video, you have a notification on your phone. and give us a thumbs up. I've already said it, and if you have any question, comments down below and I'm gonna get you a very good answer. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.